I'm staying until this thing's over.
He's going to be here the whole time, the whole chapel.
Oh my gosh. Woo!
That's a 90 cc. That's a little. That's not
a
even
90?
a 50. Yeah, that's not even a 50.
Oh, what?
It's a little one. So she said the outside director's not going to be here?
Till this afternoon. Might as well come back tomorrow.
I got afternoon classes tomorrow anyways. You see what he's doing there? Look.
Petting her.
He kissed her on the hand. Why is Jacksonville at our school right now? Do you think it's really the guy that's always in the suit?
I don't know, dude.
Probably not.
Oh, we're about to see him tear it up.